Hello everyone, I am Divya, your math facilitator. In this video, we shall discuss few problems based on chapter 2 of class 8. Okay, so the first question is you have to solve these equations and get the value of x and y. Okay, so here you have y in this equation, so you have to get the value of y. Okay, so you have 200y minus 51 equal to 49. Okay, since you want the value of y, you will send this 51 to the other side. Okay, so 200y is 49. Now minus 51, if it goes to the other side, becomes plus 51. Okay, we have learned that if a plus term goes to the other side of the equation, it becomes minus. If a minus term is transposed to the other side, it becomes plus, and multiplication becomes division and division becomes multiplication. Okay, plus becomes minus, minus becomes plus, multiplication becomes division and division becomes multiplication. Okay, so here it is minus 51, so transposing it to RHS, it becomes plus 51. Okay, so now 200y is equal to 49 plus 51 is 100. Okay, so now you want the value of y. Y is 100 divided by 200. Why? Because 200 is in multiplication. Here if it goes to the other side, it becomes division. Okay, so 0 0 0 0, which implies y is nothing but 1 by 2. Clear? Now moving on to the next bit, you want the value of x here. So 2x equal to 18 into 3. Here 3 is in division. You will send it to the other side, so it becomes multiplication. So 18 into 3 is 8 3s are 24 and 3 1s are 3 plus 2 is 54. Okay, now this is nothing but 2x. Now what is x? X is nothing but 54 divided by 2. Okay, since it is multiplication, if it goes to the other side, it becomes division. So it is nothing but 2 1s are, 2 2s are 4, you have 1 remainder, so this is 14 now, so 2 7s are 14. So x is nothing but 27. Okay, you can also substitute this value of x here and recheck if you are getting 18 or not. Okay, here also similarly you can substitute y equal to 1 by 2 here to recheck it. Clear? So now moving on to the next bit. X plus 4 by 3 is 3 1 by 2. Firstly, let us convert this into improper fraction. So 3 1 by 2 is nothing but, now this is 2 3s are 6 and 6 plus 1 is 7. So this is 7 by 2. Clear? Now you want the value of x. X equal to 7 by 2. 4 by 3 you will send it to the other side. Here it is plus 4 by 3. If you send it to the other side, becomes minus 4 by 3. Okay, so taking LCM, LCM is 6. So it is 2 here. So 2 3s are 6. So you will multiply numerator with 3. Okay, and here 3 2s are 6. So you will multiply numerator with 2. Clear? So this is 7 3s are 21 minus 4 2s are 8. So this is nothing but 21 minus 8 is 13 by 6. Okay, so x is 13 by 6. Now moving on to the next question, you have 4x minus 5 by 3 equal to 9. So 4x equal to 5 by 3, you are sending it to the other side, so it becomes plus 5 by 3. So plus 5 by 3. Clear? So now taking LCM, LCM is 3. Here it is 9 by 1. Okay, you have 9, so 9 is nothing but 9 by 1. So LCM is 3. So it is 1 into 3, so 9 into 3. Okay, equating the denominators. Now 9 3s are 27 plus you have 3 and 3, like, so you will write 5 as it is. Okay, so this is nothing but 4x. So 4x is 27 plus 5 is 32 divided by 3. Clear? Now I want the value of x. So x is equal to 32 divided by 3. Now here 4 is in multiplication. So when it comes to the other side, it becomes division. Okay, so now 4 1s are, 4 8s are. So x is nothing but 8 by 3. Okay, now how do you recheck this? You will write x equal to 3 by 3. You will substitute x equal to 8 by 3 here. Okay, and you will find if the value is 9 or not. Moving on to the next question. If the difference of two numbers is 8. Okay, and if 2 is added to the bigger number, then it is thrice the smaller number. Clear? So you have to find the number. Now let one of the number be x. Okay, now the other number, how will you get? Now the difference of these two numbers is 8. Okay, so what is y? Y is nothing but, how do you get y? Y is nothing but x minus 8. Okay, so if you subtract 8 from x, you will get y. Okay, so y is x minus 8. Clear? Now they are saying that the bigger number, if 2 is added to the bigger number, then it is thrice the smaller number. Okay, from this you can see x is the bigger number, and if you subtract 8 from x, then you get the smaller number. Okay, so if 2 is added to the bigger number, so if 2 is added to x, then it is 3 times the smaller number. Smaller number is what? Y. y is nothing but it is x minus 8. Okay, so x plus 2 is equal to, now this is distributive, so 3x minus 24. Okay, now take all x terms to one side. So 2, now taking 24 to this side, it is 2 plus 24 is equal to 3x minus x. Okay, so 3x minus x is 2x and 24 plus 2 is 26. Okay, so x is 26 divided by 2, so x is 13. Clear? So the value of x is 13. Now if you substitute the value of x here, will you get these numbers? Let us check. So one number x is 13. Now the other number y is nothing but x minus 8. So x minus 8 is 13 minus 8. So the other number is 5. Now let us substitute these values in the given condition and check. Okay. So if bigger number, if 2 is added to the bigger number, then it is 3 times the smaller number. Okay, this is the condition. Now 13 plus 2 is 15. Now 3 into 5 is 15. So that means our answer is correct. Moving on to the next question. It is given that the sum of the odd consecutive numbers is 56. You have to find the numbers. Okay. Now firstly, how do you write the odd consecutive numbers? The odd number is 2x plus 1. Now why did I take this? 2x is nothing but even. If you add 1 to this even number, you get odd. Okay, now why did I take 2x plus 3 as the next consecutive odd number? Because now this is 2x plus 1 is odd number. 2x is even. If you are adding 1 to 2x, it is odd. Okay, now the next number is 2x plus 2. Okay, after 1 you will add 2. Now 2x plus 2 is nothing but even number. Yes, so the next number is 2x plus 3. Now this is odd. So this is odd, and this is even. Now you can see that the two consecutive odds, that means the next odds. Okay, neighboring odd numbers are 2x plus 1 and 2x plus 3. Clear? So you can also take one example. So 13, 14 and 15. Okay, for example, so 13 is nothing but 2 into 6 plus 1. Okay, 12 plus 1 is 13, 2 into 6 plus 1. So again 2 into 6 plus 2, 12 plus 2 is 14. So 2 into 6 plus 3, 12 plus 3 is 15. Okay, so this is odd and this is odd. That is what we have taken. Clear? So now the sum of these two numbers, consecutive odd numbers, is 56. That means 2x plus 1 plus 2x plus 3 is what? It is 56. Clear? So 2x plus 1 plus 2x plus 3 is 56. Okay, simply I have removed the brackets. Now 2x plus 2x is 4x and 1 plus 3 is 4 equal to 56. Clear? So what is 4x? 4x is 56. You have plus 4 here. Taking to other side, it is minus 4. Okay. So this is 52. So 4x is 52. Now what is x? X is nothing but 52 divided by 4. Since 4 is multiplication here, it is division when it goes to the other side. So 4 ones are 4 ones are 4 and you have remainder 1. Now this is 12. 4 threes are 12. So x is 13. Okay, x is 13. That means the number is 2x plus 1. Okay, substitute x as 13. So it is 2 into 13 plus 1. So 26 plus 1 is 27. One number is 27. Okay, now the other number is 2x plus 3. So 2 into 13 plus 3. So it is 26 plus 3 is 29. Clear? So 27 and 29 are the consecutive odd numbers. So moving on to the next question. It is given that in a rectangular field, the length is 8 meters less than twice the breadth. Okay, so in a rectangular field, the length is 8 meters less than twice the breadth. Okay, so what is L? L is nothing but 8 meters less than twice the breadth. Okay, so if you take twice the breadth, it is 2b. So it is 8 meters less than 2b. Okay, so now the perimeter is 56 meters. Clear? Now you have to firstly understand this. The length is 8 meters less than twice the breadth. Okay, so twice the breadth is 2b and it is 8 meters less. That means you have to subtract 8 from this 2b. Okay, so that is length and b is the breadth. Clear? So now perimeter is 56 meters. What is the perimeter of rectangle? It is 2 into L plus b, length plus breadth. Okay, it is 56 meters. Clear? So 2 into length is 2b minus 8 from the given condition plus b equal to 56. Breadth is b. Okay, so it is 2 into 2b plus b is 3b minus 8 equal to 56. Okay, now what is 3b minus 8? Now 2 is multiplication here. When it goes to the other side becomes division. Okay, so 2 1s are 2 2s are 4 and 8s are 16. So 3b minus 8 is 28. Okay, so what is 3b? 3b is 28 plus 8. Okay, so it is minus 8, going to the other side becomes plus 8. Clear? So now this is nothing but 3b is equal to 28 plus 8 is 36. Okay, so b is 36 divided by 3, so b is 12. Since 3 12s are 36, b is 12. Okay, so you got this value. Now b is 12. What is L? L is nothing but 2b minus 8. So it is 2 into 12 minus 8. B is 12, you got it. So it is 24 minus 8. Okay, so it is nothing but 16. Clear? So breadth is 12 and length is 16. Now you can also check the condition. Now you can substitute here. Now 2 into 16 plus 12, is it 56 or not? Okay, so this is 2 into 28, which is 56. Clear? So whatever values we got are correct. Now the next question is two complementary angles differ by 12 degrees. Okay, so you have to find the angles. Now firstly, what are complementary angles? If x and y are complementary angles, then x plus y is what? It is 90 degrees. Okay, complementary is the sum of the two angles is 90 degrees. Yes. So now let the one angle be x. Okay, now the other angle is 12 less than the angle. Now these two angles differ by 12 degrees. Okay, let other angle be, so let the other angle be y. Okay, but it is given that x minus y is what? It is 12. They differ by 12 degrees. Okay, so what is the value of x from this? X is 12 plus y. Okay, so we'll write x as 12 plus y. Okay, now we know that since the angles are complementary, since they are complementary angles, x plus y is 90 degrees. This you have learnt in your class 7. Okay, so x is nothing but 12 plus y. So 12 plus y equal to 90 degrees. Okay, so 12 plus y is 2y equal to 90. Okay, so 2y equal to 90. 12, it is plus 12. If it goes to the other side, it is minus 12. Okay, so 2y equal to, now 90 minus 12 is 78. Okay, so y is equal to 78 divided by 2, since it is multiplication here. So this is 2 3s are 6 and 2 9s are 18. So y is 39. Clear? So now substituting y equal to 39 here, what is x? X is 12 plus y, so 12 plus 39 is nothing but, now this is 9 plus 2 is 11 and 4 plus 1 is 51. So x is 51. Okay, now condition for complementary angle is x plus y should be 19. Now you got one angle as 39, the other angle is 51. So just add and see, 9 plus 1 is 10 and this is 90. Okay, that means the answer whatever you have written is correct. So x is 51 and y is 39. Moving on to the next question. Rahul and Lakshmi's age is in the ratio of 5:7. So let us take the present age of Rahul as 5x. Since the ratio is 5:7, so Rahul's age is 5x and Lakshmi's age I am taking it as 7x. Okay. Now 4 years later their ages are, now what are their ages after 4 years? You can say if it is 5x now, so after 4 years that means 5x plus 4. Okay. Now if Lakshmi's age is 7x, so after 4 years means 7x plus 4. Okay, so you'll add 4 years since it is 4 years later afterwards. Okay, now the sum of the ages is 56. That means 4 years later the sum of their ages is 56. That means 5x plus 4 plus 7x plus 4. Okay, so these are the ages of Rahul and Lakshmi after 4 years. Okay, so the sum is 56. It is given in the question. Clear? So now 5x plus 7x is 12x plus 4 plus 4 is 8 is 56. Clear? So 12x is 56 minus 8. So 12x is 56 minus 8 is what? It is 48. So x is nothing but 48 divided by 12. So what is x? X is 4. Okay. So you got x as 4. Now what is the present age of Rahul? It is 5x. So it is 5 into, now what is x? X is 4. So Rahul's age is 20 years. Okay. Now Lakshmi is 7 into x is 4. So it is 28 years. Clear? Now you can recheck your sum. How? Now Rahul age is 20 divided by Lakshmi age is 28. Okay, 4 5s are 4 7s are. Okay, so 5:7 is the ratio. It is satisfying. Yes, so the present age of Rahul is 20 and Lakshmi is 28 years. Clear? I hope you enjoyed solving these questions, and these questions are really important. They are also important for your aptitude. So do solve it, do practice a lot more questions like this, and also like this video, share this video to all your friends, and don't forget to subscribe. I'll meet you with a different set of questions in the next video. Thanks for watching.